Hello guys! In this video, I will share with you how to display Twitter on the desktop screen without installing the application. As you can see on my desktop screen, but this is old Twitter. We will display the newest Twitter at this time without installing the application. The first step, open Google Chrome on your laptop or PC, then type the keyword Twitter in the Google search engine. Please log in using your Twitter account. If you don't have a Twitter account, you can use a Google account to register. Follow the steps in this video to register for Twitter. In the next step, we will make this Twitter icon on our laptop or PC desktop screen.